Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Another video, another panty haul. Ayan. So for today's video guys, I choose different colors naman. Okay? Yung plain colors only for today. Ayan. So I have here all the way from Shopee University. Ayan. I have purple and brown. So unahin natin tong purple. Yeah. So, purple siya guys. This is all the way from Avon. Ayan. Shopee University. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Large ni siya. And then, wala siya. Laga siya guys. How to say. Wala siyang, like, yung parang mga color. Basta, ganito lang siya sa loob. Wala din siyang garter. And then, yeah. Very simple lang siya. This is large. Ganyan siya sa likod. And ganyan siya sa harap. O, diba? So, ang second naman is brown. Yung brown din is same. Ayan, large din siya guys, but I think it's big. But anyway, I will try it, okay? If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and comment below. If you like my video, comment heart. Ayan, so ganito siya guys. Ganyan siya guys. And then, sa loob, wala din siyang garter guys. Ganito siya. Ganyan. I really like it. Yung mga garter lang na ganito is friendly. Hindi siya guys masakit dito. So, ganyan siya. Ito siya sa likod. Harap is ganyan. I really like this. Ayan. So, suot na natin sila guys. Okay. I'm very excited to wear this. Kasi, first time to na parang plain nilang kulay. It's really plain. Ayan. So, let's go. Suot na natin to guys. Ito yung purple guys. Talaga naman. Diba? Maganda siya guys. Very plain. Ayan. Yung kanyang harap. And then dito sa likod is ganyan. It's very nice also yung kanyang kulay. Tanawa. O diba? Ganyan siya. And then dito pack. Ganon. Ganon. So I'm very happy with this color. Ganyan siya. Maganda yung kanyang dito. Ayan, sa harap, ganyan, pack. Of course, sa likod is ganyan din siya, guys. Very nice ang kanyang kulay. I like it. O, diba? Pag ganyan. Yung linings na dito is, I really like it. Ayan. Talagang makikita mo na fit siya. Large siya, pero parang, diba, ang laki. Parang ang laki sa akin, but it's really fit lang. Ayan, ganyan dito sa likod. Which one is better? This one or the brown one? So guys, ito yung brown. It really like it. Maganda siya sa kulay ko. It's fit talaga siya guys. Wow. Kita nyo, maganda yung kanyang brown color. Brown. Ang ganda ng kulay guys. I like the color. It's fit to my skin tone. Ayan. Diba ganyan siya. Ganito din po siya sa likod. I like it guys. Thank you for watching guys.